Yes, I chose this song called Rehab by Amy Winehouse. She wrote this song in 2006. Actually, she wrote it by just walking down the streets, and she was very mad at some people because they were all telling her to go to rehab because she had a drug and an alcohol addiction. And she actually died from it in 2011 in her own apartment in London. Yeah, but before that, she wrote this song actually on 5 minutes, which is really crazy. Yeah, but it starts in a chorus where it's about her refusing to go to rehab. She says no, 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 and she doesn't got the time. And my daddy, he thinks I'm fine, and actually her dad told her that she was fine and she didn't need to go to rehab, which is a little scary because she was an addict and a drug addict and an alcohol addict. Um, yes, in this stanza, she says that she would rather be at home with Ray Charles. She's referring to because he was a famous blues singer, American. And further on in the text, in this stanza, she's saying that there's nothing she can't learn from Donny Hathaway. Um, and he's actually also a famous soul singer. So this is where she gets her inspiration from because actually this song is also a blues song. Yeah, and then there's a chorus again where she's refusing, and then it goes on to a stanza where's the man, where there is a man asking her why do you think you're here, and she's saying that she got no idea. She starts with being very high on drugs and yeah, but then in the next stanza she says I don't ever want to drink again. I just need a friend. And then back she shifts back to say, I'm not gonna spend 10 weeks. I'm gonna have everyone think I'm on the mend. And it's because she's like, in front of this doctor, she's playing very sober and she's gonna make everyone think that she's fine and not on drugs and not drinking alcohol, that she's on the good path again. Yes, and then it actually at last goes back to a chorus where she's refusing to go to rehab. I think it's a very good song because it shows her personality a lot and how she was as a character. She was a very unique person. I think she made some very good songs, but it's also a little scary to see this because she actually died from it. So yeah, she was clearly a very strong and independent person. Yeah, but a very good song. Yes.